Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, of course, man. It is your boy, Sniper Jones, and I'm coming back with another banger for your head top. Today, we have a very, very special unboxing from Footlocker. I had no idea this package was being sent. So, shout out to Footlocker. You guys are amazing, and I love coming home to packages I'm not expecting. A lot of times, whenever you're doing YouTube videos, you kind of plan out exactly what you're going to do day by day. And today was one of those days, I ain't going to hold you, bro. I didn't know what to do. So, coming home to this huge package, it is a big box. I don't have any idea what's in it. That's the fun part. I tell y'all all the time. When I know what shoe I'm gonna review, when I know exactly what I have in, I kind of know what to expect. I love not knowing what to expect. I love being surprised. So once again, huge shout out to Footlocker for the box. Before I start the video, I do want to tell you guys once again that I am doing a Bread 11 giveaway with my bros, Unbreakable and Flight Academy Kicks. The rules are very simple if any of you guys want to enter. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to their channels, follow us on Instagram, and comment done under this photo. This photo can be found over at Unbreakable Kicks Instagram. It's a video actually. Just comment done in your shoe size, and 2 contestants will be selected to get a pair of Bread 11. Also guys, if you have not seen my review for the Bread 11s, man, check it out. I will leave a card right up below for y'all to go ahead and check that out as well. Last but not least guys, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are Sniper Jones. The Owen Jones is 0. I'm trying to get more active on Twitter, man. I have been very active. If you follow me on Twitter, you've noticed I've been very more active late. Twitter is like one of those things where it's kind of boring if you don't have any type of engagement. So the more engagement, the better. Head over to Twitter. My Twitter and Instagram is always linked down below in the description. So if any of you guys want to follow me over there, thank you. I appreciate it as well. Here we have this huge box. Y'all see how big this box is, man? This is a very big box. I'm not sure what's in it, like I said 30,000 times. But this box is very heavy. So whatever it is, it's heavy, okay? 15 pounds. It says, wait, hold on. Is that right, bro? No, hold on. This cannot be right. It says on the label that the box is 15 pounds. Which shoe can be 15 pounds, man? That is a lot. Like, I don't know. That's like more than a baby. It's like more than a baby in this box. All right, that's it. I gotta open it now. I gotta open it. I ain't got my special unboxing knife or my box cutter, so I'm gonna have to go Mike Rich style and open it up with the hands, man. So let's see what's in this real quick. Ali, man, Mike must have hands of steel, bro. Mike, how do you open up boxes with your hands, bro? This is hard. Please hit the like button. As a matter of fact, hit the like button right now. I'm sweating trying to open up this box to give y'all this unboxing. Hit the like button. All right, guys, here we have the box is open, man, and I don't know what to expect. I feel a lot. It's a lot. I don't know. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, look. Okay, the reason why I'm excited is because I ain't gonna hold you, man. I don't watch scary movies, and I don't really do like a lot of thriller stuff or all that stuff. So when my adrenaline rushing, I don't really know what to do. Right now I'm just talking very fast. Let me just see what's in it, bro. Let me see what's in it. Oh, this is like a whole box. This is like a whole. Oh yeah, this is big. Hold on, let me see. I might have to stand up and get this out real quick, bro. You know what? Hey, this is dope. Bro, this is so okay. Look, I know I'm super excited. We don't need that. I know I am super excited right now, but y'all gotta understand, okay? I remember watching other people unbox these before I even started a YouTube channel, and I was like, yo, look, those dope unboxings, those crazy packaging that people get from Footlocker, so dope. I remember when like Footlocker gave out like the Gatorade ones with the huge Gatorade jug, and they had like all the accessories with it. I remember when they gave out like the Space Jam joints, and they had like the Space Jam water bottle with the shoes. I love like the packaging that comes with certain releases. I have no idea what's in this box, bro, but already from the release, look at this. Okay, has the Footlocker sign over here. It has Week of Greatness because sneakers. Okay, so it's already, you know what I'm saying? Week of Greatness because sneakers. Okay, Footlocker. Now I'm thinking it's probably like a running shoe. It can't be a Bread, right? We all know that the Bread 11s is coming out very soon, but it can't be a Bread 11. I feel like the Bread 11 would be more like predicated towards more Jordan, okay, not just like Footlocker. So it might, I don't know. This box feels more like cement-like. It's a cement-like filled box, and maybe that's supposed to serve a purpose whenever we open these up. But I'm not even gonna look, okay? I'm gonna open this up, and I'm gonna just let y'all see what it is, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just let y'all take care of it, okay? So I'm gonna take the top off the box. Hopefully it don't fall out. What is it? What is it? What is it? Is it fire? Is it fire? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let's see. Oh, baby. We got, oh, this is dope. Man, this is dope. We got the whole 9. I didn't even need to flip this over like that. Okay, cool. So we're gonna say the shoes. We're gonna put the shoes over here, okay? First off, we're gonna start off with the card they sent over, man. So it says Footlocker Week of Greatness because sneakers have my name Sniper. And it says, to celebrate Footlocker's biggest week of the year, the week of greatness, all of the support that you've shown, we wanted to reach out and make sure that you had everything you needed to participate. We all know when it comes to dedication, there aren't many communities that can hold the candle to sneakers camping overnight. No problem. Pouring rain, just need a couple plastic bags. I think I know what they're doing with this. I think I know what they're doing. Matter of fact, it might be easier to name all of the things that can't stop a sneakerhead from securing a sneaker drop, which is how we wound up asking what would happen if a premier drop of the year, Sneakers Footlocker Week of Greatness, happened during the worst week ever. So I think I know what's in this box. I think it's like a bunch of stuff that you would need to use to like camp overnight for a pair of sneakers in like the worst conditions ever. That's what it sounds like. Which is why we sent you a complete sneaker survival guide to get you and your kicks through the end of the world. Wow, that is crazy, bro. Hey, look, this is about to get sentimental. Look, I know a lot of y'all watching. This don't mean anything to y'all. To y'all, this is just another box, another shoe, but this is so much more for me. It means a lot. Thank y'all to Footlocker, bro. Anybody that's watching my videos, I know I have a lot of inspiring sneaker YouTubers that watch me. Hey, listen, I'm telling you, bro, just keep working. It can happen. And like I said, I know this might not mean nothing to a lot of you guys, but hey, at the end of the day, bro, this is what I dreamed for. I used to think about this, and it's finally here, bro. But let's get into the breakdown. These are the things that they say we will need as sneakerheads to get through the worst night possible to camp for sneakers. So number one, a fresh new pair of sneakers, which we have right here. We're gonna get to those later. But number two is a solar charger, powerful when it's out. So the solar charger is, where is that? Is that this? Yes. Here we have a Footlocker solar charger. I will be making sure that I get B-roll of everything that I'm picking up. It also has like a USB port. So I know a lot of y'all have been in places where you camping out for a pair of kicks and maybe your phone is dying because you've been outside all night. They sent over the solar powered charger with the USB port to make sure your phone is still charged. That is fire. That's new. That's number one. And it says number three is a flashlight for those power outage fit picks. You can still get the fit with this Footlocker flashlight. So they got the Footlocker flashlight. Let me see if I can turn this joint on. Oh yes, it works. It works. So we got the Footlocker flashlight to throw on even at the end of the world when the power is out. You can still make sure you get some likes on the gram. Boy. Next up, it says a thermal blanket necessary for all new heat. Here's the actual thermal blanket, and they say the thermal blanket is where you keep your heat. Let me open this up real quick to show y'all the thermal blanket. Number five, we have zombie repellent. Zombie, this is really end of the earth, okay? This is like zombie apocalypse. What is this turn to? Walking Dead? We hear it's most effective. So where is the zombie repellent? And they say it's cinnamon flavor. So we got the zombie repellent right here as well. Oh, so it's like a mouth spray. It's something like you spraying the mouth for good breath. Let me see what it's like. Hold on, let me. Woo! 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 Ah! Last but not least, we have a pin compass safe zone locator, which is here, which is a pin and it is a compass at the same time. This is crazy, bro. You got the compass at the top and then you get the pin down here at the bottom, man. Yo, Footlocker, y'all killed this, bro. Y'all killed this. Thank y'all for making my dreams come true. Is that everything inside the box? All right, guys, let me move some of this stuff out the way so we can get to the sneakers that they sent over. Guys, here we have it. The wait is over. Footlocker sent your boy over the Nike Air Max, man. This sneaker is fire from the colorway to the double swoosh right here on the uppers of the side panel. Even the colorway, the crisscross laces, the different color they got in the laces. Man, the love, bro. The love is feeling, bro, I'm feeling good right now. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely one of my favorite videos I think I've ever done. So starting off with your outer sole, you get this infrared colorway alongside the black on the outer sole. Moving up to the midsole, you get this all-white midsole with the iconic Air Max bubble on the midsole as well. Moving up to the uppers of the shoe, you have this blue colorway as well as you get that solar red Nike swoosh right there by the toe box. Putting a little bit higher on the shoe, you get a softer feel, almost like a leather, but not a guaranteed leather. But that leads right into the double Nike swoosh you see on the side panel. Now the double Nike swoosh is fire. It's actually like a triple Nike swoosh because it's like a huge design that's stitched on, and then you see two other colorways of a Nike swoosh actually painted on, as well as an outline on the Nike swoosh on the side as well. So if you really look hard, it's like 4 Nike swoosh on one side. You can also find that same material that's on the toe box coming around the back heel of the sneaker right here on the upper. And last but not least, you have your Nike hang tag hanging off the left sneaker. Very, very dope look. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. I'm very, very excited to rock these on foot. So what I'm about to do right now is step outside, throw these on foot, and come back because I gotta see what they look like. Let's get into it. Alright guys, that concludes the video, the huge box that Footlocker sent over. Thank you guys so much over there at Footlocker. I really appreciate it. Please let me know how you feel about these Air Max they sent over down below in the comment section. Also, what do you think about all the cool stuff that they gave me along with the theme of this sneaker? Y'all see it on my face, man. I am super excited, bro. It really don't get no better than this. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and until next time, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.